Hey, my name is Fabio. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 ways you can make serious money on TikTok. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, as I will reply and I will get back to you. So why would you even choose TikTok? Well, TikTok is a one in a lifetime opportunity because you can get a lot of views in one simple video. And it can take you, 5 minutes to do that video, and it's done all from your phone. Okay, so in a nutshell, here is what you want to be doing on TikTok in order to be able to do all of these kind of things that I'm going to share. First, you got to create a brand. So a brand is related to something that you are posting on TikTok, building a following, building a brand. And if you are into marketing, you know that this is the basics. And to build a brand, you need to have an idea of what brand you want to build around what, and then you want to be consistent with it. And then what you want to do is you want to create content on the platform on TikTok that people want to watch. It's all about putting 1 to 3 or 5 videos a day and testing out different branches of videos to see which one works best. Look at other TikTok accounts and see what is trending and do videos around that. Make videos that people want to watch, entertaining, whatever the topic is or the niche. And then you want to get followers into that account. And on TikTok, honestly, it's not hard to get a lot of followers. One video can get you a lot of subscribers. I remember one video took off on my TikTok account and I got more than 10,000 subscribers just with one video. And I've heard people that with one video, they've got 50,000 subscribers. So TikTok, when doing content every day and when putting content out there, as you improve and as you become better, some videos will take off and go viral. So the first way to make serious money on TikTok is doing influencer marketing. What that is you are building a TikTok following on a specific niche, and then other people will pay you to advertise, to do a post on your TikTok. And if you go to Google and you type in TikTok influencers, you will find out that there's so many websites and people are paying other TikTokers out there to put posts on their audience. Like there's a lot of companies out there that are hiring influencers to show their products, their services on their TikTok accounts. And you can make money by doing that. The second way you can make serious money on TikTok is doing the following that I've shared with you, like creating a brand on a topic, posting content that people want to watch and get followers. And then you have a link on your bio, which is an affiliate link, that when people go to that link and they click and they buy, you are making an affiliate commission. And you can make recurring affiliate commissions doing that. I actually did a video with over 100 ideas of content you can do to do this kind of thing. I will leave the link up here so you can check it out. It was my last video. And there you can get some great ideas for you to do this with affiliate marketing. The third way to make serious money with TikTok is being a TikTok consultant. Yeah, there's so many people out there that need help with TikTok, and you can be consulting and making money off of helping other people with TikTok. As they need help with like the strategy, what strategy that are they gonna apply with TikTok? what content are they going to publish. They need guidance, and people are willing to pay for that. The fourth way of making massive profits with TikTok is once your TikTok is growing on whatever topic you want to grow with, you can be promoting your own branded merchandise there. And this is really powerful. You could create maybe your makeup product line, just branded merchandise, and sell it on your TikTok. The fifth way you can make serious money with TikTok is doing management services for TikTok. There's so many influencers out there that are willing to pay people like you to manage their TikTok account. They are really, really looking for this. So if you could look for these influencers that you see that they need help, and you reach out to them so that you can manage their account and you could produce their videos. Maybe you could just come up ideas for them, or just with storytelling for them. And there's so many influencers out there that are willing to pay big bucks to have somebody manage their account. Way number 6 to make serious money on TikTok, it's by growing TikTok accounts and selling them. Growing a TikTok account, once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy and fast. With a couple of videos, you can get to 100K subscribers easily if you know what you are doing. So building accounts and then selling them, and you could be selling these accounts to other influencers out there on the same niche, all right? So they are willing to buy these accounts because it already has an audience that they want, and they want to tap into it. So they are willing to buy the account so they can have those followers. The 7th way you can make serious money with TikTok is utilizing their ads platform. And if you ever run paid traffic before, this is self-explanatory. So you would doing ads there and selling products, or sending people to a funnel, and capturing those leads and making profits selling products on TikTok. Here are some tips for TikTok. First is choose a niche. Don't just make random videos of all kinds of things. No, you have to really pick a niche, something that you want to talk about, and make that account all about that only, so that people will follow that account because they know what type of content you post. Tip number 2, search for trending videos and see what they're doing and try to model those. Tip 3, put captions on your videos. Use trending sounds, as those tend to get a lot more views. Tip 6, go live on TikTok. Tip 7, consistency. That's very important. You have to be posting, I would say, at least one video per day if you want to blow up. Tip 8, use hashtags related to what the video is covering. Tip 9, use a video editing software to up your game. So to wrap up, TikTok is the best entertaining platform out there. And as you can entertain people and give value and information, useful information, or just whatever topic you talk about, you can make a lot of money on TikTok. Seriously, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. I never seen a platform get so many views in one video like TikTok. It's crazy. So there you go. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, turn it into blue. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. And if you are really serious about making money online, then I have a good recommendation for you, which is what has led me to where I am today with multiple streams of income. It's with a system which is affiliate marketing, promoting other products out there that are very good and that can, make you a recurring income and high ticket commissions. So I will leave a link below in the description with that system. I recommend, if you are serious about it and if you really want to maybe quit your job or just have a side hustle online, then yeah, the link will be below. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video here with me. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much. Don't ever forget how amazing you are. Always believe in yourself. Stay blessed, stay great, and I will see you next time.